Hi everyone, welcome to Healthify My Life. Soy Healthify Coach Zoraida, and today we are enjoying some flower time. Shall we do that together? Yes, we shall do that. Okay, let me just get pen because we are going to write something. Therefore, I need a pen. 1 second, please. Okay, I'm back. So I have two different pens. My favorite color, pink, very beautiful rose color, and I have different elements that will help me to do the video of today. So what is the video of today? Today is assembling, collecting, trying to identify, trying to put group by group together, so grouping different seeds so it can be planted later on. And this is the most obvious way. Sometimes we choose to buy because that's easier and we have it by hand. That's also good if we can do that, but also this is a possibility. When we have been collecting things throughout the year, we are capable to make a little slot in the time to try to identify if it's necessary. Otherwise, it's not really a must, because if we have had the how can I say, the intelligence to collect something, it meant that it is something that is valuable and it was okay. So it's not something that is invasive for us or for somebody else. So I have different things. So I have the different plants belonging to different flowers here, and on the other hand I have labels, or rather envelopes, where I will be writing the name of the identified flowers if I find them. If I don't find them, also no problem, it's okay. Nobody is getting any trouble, at least not me. I'm happy just to have separated in different envelopes, that there is a little bit more diversity later on. Okay, so what I will do next is these are some envelopes from my past life, and I was very happy with my colleagues. If someone of them are watching this, Alex, Patrick, beautiful lady Sarah, the most wonderful person I've ever met in my life as a lady, and Sophie, also a very nice, funny person, and I actually had the best time of my life on a very nice atmosphere when we were there together in that specific department. Anyway, they totally changed address, it get into different structuration, and the address was not valid, therefore all the material was about to be wasted or just thrown away, so I decided to recycle some of them. So therefore this will be used for the labeling. Okay, now I would like to try to evaluate which one this is. You probably know. For me, this is a kind of hortensia, a specific one, and I want to search the name. So I am like you. If you're watching this, you're probably not expert, you're probably a newbie, someone who wants to learn different things and who has not all the time on earth to learn all the wonderful things we have to learn. So let me check if I am able to find it. This one, I have application that is called Picture This. So if you like to identify a specific sort, I recommend that you use Picture This. Okay, so this one, have a good look at it. It's already dry, but you can see very intensely fleed out rose, just starting by my favorite color, of course. Remarkable rose characteristic. It's a Panicled, Panicled Hydrangea. So it's indeed a species of Hydrangea. It's a family of one here on the right. And I will write down the name on the envelope. Hydrangea. Okay, perfect. Now what I will do is open the envelope, and the envelope is ready for the seeds. I will do experiment. I will do half of the seeds. I will put them in the envelope for propagation in March, or a little bit when the weather starts to get a little bit warm, and the rest I will make them grow today or tomorrow to see if it works.